What's the meaning of bay? Bay. Bay.
Bay. Bay. The word bay has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, it can refer to a body of water partially enclosed by land, such as a bay within a larger body of water like the Chesapeake Bay. It can also refer to a bark or howl made by a dog or other animal, such as a hound bay. As a verb, it can mean to bark or howl in this way, or to pursue or chase something or someone. Additionally, in horse racing, the term bay refers to a reddish-brown coat color for horses.